Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to convert a RGB image to a grayscale image using OpenCV and Python. So yeah, let's get started. So firstly we will have to import CV2. Now we don't have to do pip install because I'm using Colab, but if you are using a normal Python project, then you might have to install OpenCV Python as well. And here I have just imported CV2, which is reference to the OpenCV Python library. Then we have also imported matplotlib from importing pyplot from matplotlib as plt. And here I have created one function which takes an image name, then it takes an image, and here you can set the size as well, but if by default the size is equal to 10. So here we are basically getting the width and height for our image, then we are creating an aspect ratio out of it, then we are plotting that particular figure, and for displaying it we are just displaying cv2 dot cvt color, passing our image our RGB color, and here we are also plotting the title as well as displaying our particular plot. Now I have dragged and drop one image. You can just download it from Google and just drag and drop any image whatever you want to over here. Then I am reading that particular image with the help of OpenCV. So cv2.imread and pass your image. So I have just passed my image name, and then I am calling this particular function called imshow. I am passing our title and I am passing our image. So this is the output for it. Now to convert it to grayscale, all I have to do is I have to do cv2. So this is our OpenCV library dot cvt color. So I am calling this particular function. I am passing our image, then I am just calling cv2 dot color bg r2 gray. So this will help us to convert our like RGB image to grayscale. Then again I am calling the function which I had created at the top, like convert it to grayscale, and now I am passing our image, and this is how the output looks like. So yeah, that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching. Bye.